Oh my God. What is Pi Network cooking? Just when we thought it was all over for Pi Network, we are beginning to see some green lights. And to be honest, personally, I gave up on this project because of the fact that I've not been hearing anything from the team and I've not been seeing any sign of progress when it comes to the project. But then these past few days, I've been watching them closely and I've been seeing some very huge green lights, and I'm going to show you guys all that in today's video. Let's go, guys. Now you can see Pi coin charts bullish paths back to $2.98 as bulls see sweet reversal ahead. Now let's look at what Chris Boss said in this article, and then we'll now go to the fundamentals. We'll now go to CoinMarketCap and check how the project is doing after we go through this. Despite a brutal month that saw Pi coin tumble over 22%, technical indicators and market patterns suggest the token may be poised for a dramatic rebound amid broader altcoin momentum, growing ecosystem activity, and renewed speculation around major exchange listing. Pi Network token was trading at 44 cents today, a few points above its all-time low of 40 cents. Indeed, it is one of the worst performing tokens, but technical indicators suggest that the Pi coin price could be on the verge of a triple-digit surge in the coming weeks. Warren Buffett, who famously described Bitcoin as rat poison squared in 2018, consistently advised investors to do two things: buy when others are fearful and sell when most are greedy. This view has worked well for many investors who bought Ethereum when it bottomed at $1,385 in April and now approaching $4,000 currently. Now for Pi, volume has dropped in the past few months as its hype has fallen. Many influencers have stopped talking about Pi, including me, but I've not stopped looking at the project. I've been watching because I have my investment in the project, obviously. Now, the average true range and the Bollinger Band indicates low volatility, a sign that the market is in the accumulation phase of the Wyckoff theory. This phase is typically followed by the markup, characterized by high demand and fear of missing out. Now, Pi Network price has formed a double bottom pattern at 40 cents and a neckline at $1.66. A double bottom is one of the most common and accurate bullish reversal pattern. It has also formed a falling wedge, a common bullish reversal sign. Therefore, the token will likely bounce back as bull target the double bottom neckline at $1.66 up to 275% from the current level, a move above the level that will signal more gains, potentially to the all-time high of $2.98, up by 570% from the current level. Now that I've finished reading this article, before I say anything, let's go to CoinMarketCap together. This is currently Pi Network right now with a volume of 51.02 million, FDV of 43.81 billion, with the circulating supply of 7.74 billion Pi. Now, when we check the market, you're going to see that even if the Pi Network coin have been down, one very good sign is that OKX, BitGet, MEXC, Gate.io, Bitmart, LBank, XT are still holding on to this project. That is the green flag. Now, what that article was basically trying to tell us is that whenever people are not paying attention to a particular coin is exactly when we should pay attention to that particular project. Now, Pi Network has done, for those of you that understand technical analysis, Pi Network has done the double bottom of 40 cents, right? And then the neckline is around the $1.66 mark, which means that there is a potential of a huge reversal going back up to as high as $2.80. This now is a probability. From the technical analysis, it looks like Pi is going to bounce back up, but then there's still a probability that it might not. In the coming weeks, we can see $1 mark. We can even see way above $1 mark for Pi Network, and I really truly hope so. I truly hope that Pi Network will be able to recover its price and get us back up to where we were initially. That is all I'm even asking for. Let's just get back to the point we were initially. So that's exactly what that article was saying, and that article was written by a professional. He has done his technical analysis and seen that there's a very high chance that Pi Network will bounce back. It is looking as though Pi Network will bounce back to a very reasonable price. So for those of you holding on to Pi Network, please keep holding on to Pi Network. And I realize that many people have stopped talking about this project. A lot of people have dumped the project. They've not been talking about it. But I would do well to keep talking about Pi Network until I am certain that the project is dead and dead for good. And I'm very sure this project will not just die off that easy, because there are so many people behind this project. I'm very sure the project will not just die like that. So we should stay connected to this project. We should keep watching this project closely. So guys, do not lose hope on Pi Network. Let's just keep watching this project closely. And there have been some very interesting updates of how you can turn your fiat currency to Pi coins lately. So we're going to talk more on that in another video, and I'm going to analyze that and what that could potentially cost for Pi Network project as a whole, right? So that's basically what I brought here. So guys, if you like this content you just got, kindly help me smash that like button and also subscribe to my channel to get more amazing content like the one you just saw. So guys, that'll be the end of today's video. I'm going to see you in the next one, but until then, bye for now.